हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, चलो आज स्टार्ट करते हैं साइज 8.1 ऑफ क्लास 9 चैप्टर 8। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या कह रहा है, फाइंड द एंगल्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स। तुम्हें एंगल्स फाइंड करना है, क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स आर इन रेशियोज। रेशियो कितना गिवन है, 3:5:9:13। तो जब भी रेशियो गिवन होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसमें वेरिएबल को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। तो लेट द एंगल्स आर, क्या एंगल्स हो सकता है, 3x 5x 9x एंड 13x। ये हमने एंगल्स को लेट कर लिया, ठीक है ना। तो सम ऑफ एंगल्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटर के सारे एंगल्स का सम कितना होता है, क्यों बताओ। क्वाड्रिलेटर के सारे एंगल का सम दैट इज इक्वल टू 360, मतलब कि 3x 5x 9x प्लस 12x इक्वल टू 360। ऐड करो तो ये कितना होगा, 5 8 8 9 16 17 13x है ना, सॉरी 12 है 13x। तो ये टोटल आएगा हमारा 30x, यानी x इक्वल टू डिवाइड करें दैट इक्वल टू 12, यानी x इक्वल टू 12 आया। तो एंगल्स क्या होंगे, तो एंगल्स आर 3 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई x कितना है 12 36, 5 मल्टीप्लाई 12 60, 5 क्यों 5 और x है 12, 9 मल्टीप्लाई 12 यानी ये हो जाएगा 80 है ना। 9 मल्टीप्लाई 12 क्योंकि 12 की वैल्यू इतनी है, और 13 मल्टीप्लाई 12 राइट। तो 13 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 156। तो ये हो गया इसके एंगल्स और ये हमारा आंसर हो गया। चलो नोट कर लो, फिर करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। व्हाट इज रिटन, इफ द डायगोनल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आर इक्वल देन इट इज अ रेक्टेंगल। तो ध्यान रखना इस बात को कि व्हाट इज रिटन हियर, डायगोनल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आर गिवन, ओके। इफ इट इज नॉट गिवन अ पैरेललोग्राम, अगर ये नहीं गिवन होता कि ये पैरेललोग्राम है, लिखा होता है ये क्या है, क्वाड्रिलेटर। व्हाट इज रिटन, क्वाड्रिलेटर। तो पहले हम इसे पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करते, देन वी हैव टू प्रूव इट रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर या रोम्बस, ओके। इफ इट इज रिटन एज क्वाड्रिलेटर देन वी हैव टू प्रूव फर्स्ट पैरेललोग्राम, देन वी कैन प्रूव इट रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर और क्वाड्रिलेटर, व्हाट, ओके, सॉरी स्क्वायर, रोम्बस एंड रोम्बस, right. So but here is written it is parallelogram, so our work is easy now. So what is the given, I will write the given first, okay. So given is that ABCD is a parallelogram, okay. I think I have to make the figure also, and what is it, diagonals are equal, then AC and BD are diagonals, and AC is equal to BD. Now make the figure. Here we have to prove it rectangle, so you have to make diagram of rectangle, okay. Remember this thing, you have to prove it rectangle, so we are making rectangle, right. Now comes to proof. After the given we need to write to proof. What is to prove, we have to prove ABCD is a rectangle, okay. We have to prove this ABCD is a rectangle. Now comes to proof, right. Now taking the triangle ABC and the triangle DCB, right, we are taking triangle ABC and triangle DCB. This is ABC, okay. You can see this ABC, you can make a separate figure so that you can understand easily what is which triangle we are talking about. ABC and DCB. Okay, we are talking about both those two triangles. You can see here also, right? Now AB is equal to DC, opposite side of parallelogram are equal. Side of is parallelogram, its written is parallelogram are equal. Okay, opposite side of parallelogram are equal, and AC and DB are equal. AC and DB are equal, right? AC equal to DB, it is given, na? Given. And BC are both triangle. If you see in the same figure, the BC is common in the both triangle. The BC is equal to CB, common, right? It is common. The triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB by rule SSS, yani side rule. That means side and side rule. I think all you understand this. You don't have any doubt. If you have doubt, you can ask me, right? By comment, by using the comment section, you can ask me. Okay. Now what we get from this? Why you're making? Why you're proving congruent these two triangles? Because by this we can prove that both the angle are equal. Okay. Now we can prove that ABC is equal to angle DCB, CP, CT. Take this equation number 1. Take this equation number 1. I have to rub this part, okay, because I hope you all are noted this part. If you not, go back to video and note it. Now we know that AB in parallelogram ABCD, angle ABC, I'm talking about this angle and this angle, and angle DCB, sum of both two angles is 180. Sum of angles are 180. Why? Adjacent angle are supplementary, or you can say that interior angle on same side. Either you can say that adjacent angle are supplementary. You can write anything. Is here is supplementary, right? Here is written supplementary. You can write anything. Now we know that these two angles are equal, so we can write angle is BC is equal to 180. From where you get it? From equation 1. Okay, from equation 1 I get. Now 2 of angle ABC is equal to 180, and the angle ABC is equal to 180 upon 2, that's equal to 90 degree. Okay, now we get the one of angle is 90 degree. That means this angle is also 90 degree. Okay, so now we can say that since ABCD is a parallelogram and one of angle and one of its interior angle is 90 degree. One of its interior angle is 90 degree. So ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, I think this is clear to you. You have to note it. Okay, note it. Okay, now comes to question number 3. What is third question? Saying that if so that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral, now it is written here is it is a quadrilateral, so first we have to prove it parallelogram, then we have to prove it is rhombus. Okay, here so that if the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other at 90°, they are bisecting each other at 90° or right angles, then it is a rhombus. Now, so first we have to draw the rhombus, we have to prove rhombus, then we have to draw it as a rhombus. If we have to prove it rhombus, so our diagram should be like rhombus, right? Then A, B, C, D and the diagonals. Now given, first of all we have to write given. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral, right? A, B, C, D is a and what is done here is if the diagonal bisect each other and AC and BD are diagonals, okay, diagonals, and they bisect each other, it is by diagonals bisect each other at right angle. That's mean what does that mean? That is AO is equal to OC, this part is equal to this part, and BO is equal to OD, this is equal to this, and the angles are at 90°, and the angles AOB, that's when this and this, all the angles is equal to at 90°. You can write this also. Now it is given, this is all are given. We have to prove ABCD is a, what if we have to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Now comes to the proof part. I think you all note it. Okay, first note that it, because we have to rub it. Okay, now you note it. Now we have to prove rhombus. So for rhombus, first prove it is a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram. First we have to prove that, right? Part. Now take the triangle. Take which triangle? Triangle A. Now first we have to prove it parallelogram, right? First we have to prove it. So in triangle AOD, we take an AOD and this triangle and the triangle COD. Yes, COD, this triangle. We taking this triangle and triangle COD and AB, right? We are taking this triangle. Now AO is equal to OC, given, it is given part. DO is equal to OD, it is common. An angle AOD is equal to angle DOC, each 90°. Okay, then triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD. Okay, both triangle are congruent by rule SAS rule. I think it is clear to you. You don't have any doubt. Okay, now if this equal, then AD is equal to, then this one AD is equal to DC, right? Yani AD is equal to DC, CP CT, right? CP CT. Now taking this equation number 1, similarly we can prove that ki DC is equal to BC, okay, and BC is equal to AB and AB is equal to AD. The equation number 2 third, and fourth. No, I think you note it down. I have to rub it. Okay, I have to rub it. It comes to the upper part. After that, so from equation 1, 2, 3, and 4, all the sides are equal. Now, in quadrilateral, opposite side are equal. Both pair of opposite side are equal. Both pair of opposite side are equal. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram, and all side of parallelogram ABCD are equal. So ABCD is a rhombus. I think this is visual to all. Okay, note it, and we will meet in the next video from question number 4. Now, before that, you have to note it. Okay, and in next video we start question number 4. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Okay, and also give your comments so that I can know you are understanding this or not. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.